newer Air King, model 9016, in a state park bathroom. So this is the same bathroom that I filmed prior, and as you can see, there is some power to right now, so the fan actually works, except that the oscillation is busted as usual with these newer models somehow, so it doesn't work. So, but let's do this quickly. So let's try number one. That is pretty decent. Not as good as the older versions, which were a lot more faster compared to these ones. Number two. And there is barely any difference in speed between the medium and high. So let me demonstrate that. So that is high. The oscillation is actually activated. Oh, and it started to work for a bit. Yeah, it just doesn't work. Oh, here's off. Alright, spin down entirely. Which is quite decent, at least. So that will be it for now. So that is the modern Air King, model 9016, in the state park bathroom.